we're going to start by screwing the casters into the desk feet. Turn the leg back on its front and then place the leg into the foot. And we're going to turn over and attach it with the 4 screws. We're going to now repeat that process with the left leg. Turn the leg over and then attach with the 4 screws. Once the legs are secure, place them upright. And then grab the leg cross support bar and slide into the grooves at the back. You may require the use of a hammer for this. Make sure the bar is firmly and securely in place. We're now going to attach the bracket to the left leg. Make sure the wire is facing inwards and attach the groove to avoid cable pinching. Now I'm going to attach it using the 4 screws. We're now going to repeat for the other side. Now the brackets are secure, we're going to attach the back bar to the back of the desk. Line the bar up with a hole and then insert the screw. And then repeat for the other end. Once the back bar is secure, we're then going to attach the cable tray to the back of the desk, ensuring that the tray is facing inwards. Next, we're going to place the desktop onto the base. The tops are quite heavy, so you may require 2 people to lift. Ensure that the holes are aligned. And screw into place. There are 6 screws in total, 3 on each side. Make sure they're all securely fastened. And now we're going to attach the leg cables to the power supply. Ensuring that the wire is fed through the groove so it's out the way. And then repeat for the other side. And then we can attach it to the desk. Next, we're going to attach the leg cable to the power supply. Once the screws are attached, you now need to attach the anti-collision switch and the cable switch to the power block underneath the desk. The next step is to tidy up all loose cables using the cable clips and the grooves underneath the desk. Once all the wires are in place, we need to attach the power cable to the power box.